Our next speaker is Professor Dr. Natalya Buerkle. She works internationally at the intersection of education, talent development, and global collaboration. In her work, she focuses on how people and organizations can successfully work together across borders and cultures, not only from a professional perspective, but also in terms of communication and cultural understanding. A particular focus of her work is on developing talent and creating sustainable connections between people, institutions, and markets. Her keynote today is titled Building Sustainable Talent Bridges Cross-Cultural Communication. In her presentation, she will explore how international collaboration can succeed in the long term and why cultural awareness and effective communication play such a crucial role. I'm very looking forward to her insights. Please join me in welcoming Professor Dr. Natalya Buerkle. Natalia.
Uh, Hello, good day, Niels. Hello, everyone. At first, thank you so much for such a great opportunity to take part in such a very important event and I truly believe that it's a really great opportunity for all of us to discuss not only important questions but also to create a really fantastic network, and altogether we can really improve the general situation on the planet concerning sustainability and other aspects. Thank you so much. I would like to start my presentation, actually, the main idea here that I would like to discuss is it's not only about cross-cultural communication and sustainable talent, but it's about the bridge between these two things. Here in Germany, we have really huge trouble with, well, I cannot say labor force. No, we have tons of fantastic people, but to make our country better, we do need those who can also input more. And so we know that there are so many possibilities for that. Nevertheless, so there are tons of barriers, and actually my presentation is exactly about that. I'm sorry, like I'm not sure how can I start sharing, because I read the
Yep,
instruction, but
we can
so
share it right now. Um,
uh,
I
so
hand it over to you, and the
yes.
stage is
Oh,
yours.
okay. Thank you so much. That's it. Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much. Now, so oh, wait. And yeah, okay, good. Now it works. My presentation, Building Sustainable Talent Bridges Across Cross-Cultural Communication from Attraction to Retention, Institutional Pathways for International Talent Integration in Germany. So here we see agenda and why, as I have already mentioned, why I'm truly believe that this topic is fantastically important, as the relevance of this topic lies in the growing dependence of advanced economies of international talent and the strong need to develop international mechanisms that transform talent attraction into sustainable labor market integration. The next slide presents really heavy shortage index that we do face in Germany. So what is happening exactly right now? We do have we do have scarcity in a number of areas, mainly in healthcare, engineering, IT, skilled trades, and junior education. It means that it creates tons of possibilities uh, for us as academics, as professionals, to attract really skillful and educated people. Uh, International talent as a strategic resource. Uh, Germany has responded to labor shortages through several policy initiatives. Definitely, Germany is one of the most attractive destinations for international students and skilled immigrants. And Here we should pay attention to a number of key developments, like increasing international student mobility, growing demand for globally mobile talents. However, attracting talents doesn't always mean that actually they will stay in the system, and the input will be really fascinating, unfortunately. So we have a rather huge retention gap. And a growing body of research highlights that the main challenge is not recruiting, but retention, as we have already mentioned. International students and professionals often struggle with navigating institutional structures, with adapting to new academic expectations. Last but not least, definitely here we talk about cross-cultural communication and understanding the communication styles, not only in education but also at workplaces. Also integrating into professional networks. These challenges directly affect study success, employability, and long-term labor market participation. It means that the issue is not simply just education or linguistic, like, language problem. No, absolutely not. The language can be learned. It's not big deal. However, the problem here is about cross-cultural synergizing. Here we are speaking about systematic integration and again the highest level of outcome. Cross-cultural communication as a strategic capability. Um, Here, well, for so many years, cross-cultural communication has been considered as soft skills. However, in the context of international talent mobility, it's more like strategic capability. It helps individuals understand expectations, norms, and communication patterns within institutions. This competence reduces misalignment between talent and institutional system. Therefore, cross-cultural communication becomes a critical factor in sustainable talent integration. Here we present a sustainable talent breach model. There are a number of key elements. Here we are speaking about input, breach mechanisms, and output. This model suggests that successful talent integration requires definitely a very high level of cooperation between these elements, and uh, also between mechanism and talent attraction and labor market participation. These mechanisms include, for example, language preparation, cross-cultural competence development, academic orientation, and employability training. Regarding employment, definitely, I mean, the main goal of attracting young talents is just further, making career for them for further employment. However, not all of them, unfortunately, understand the necessity of this integration, and it's really challenging for the employer really to create this ecosystem, this environment, so that young talents, those who can be fantastically profitable and beneficial for the country, really feel like home being here, being with us, and they can really make a fantastic input into the ecosystem. Without such mechanisms, the transition from international mobility to labor market integration, unfortunately, remains unclear and unfinished. Uh, so, uh, yes. Uh, the next very important moment is the role of pathway institutions. Uh, in this context, pathway institutions become an important component of the talent ecosystem. What are we talking about here, meaning these pathway institutions? Here, their essential part is this pathway, this transition. Just imagine we have fantastically great resources somewhere in Asian countries, in African countries, but it's fantastically complicated. So just to join their labor environment here in Germany. And again, I'm repeating, we are not talking only about language. It's the easiest part. Here we're speaking about full integration, including soft skills, professional skills, and cross-cultural competence skills. So, and this pathway is to be provided by institutions here in Germany or in collaboration with other countries. So these institutions have to create the possibility for young talents to transfer smoothly here to Germany. So and so this role is just so the role of these institutions is to reduce transition friction. So it includes preparing students academically, linguistically, as we have already discussed, culturally before they enter higher education sector or employment. Um, we have definitely different possibilities, but today I would like to talk about Global Academy of Business and Languages. Uh, this institution is relatively new on the market, but it has really created tons of opportunities for young talents to move smoothly from the Asian world to the European, specifically to German market. The aim of Global Academy of Business and Languages is to create this pathway for students and potential employees. Here we're speaking about support in language preparation, cross-cultural competence, academic readiness, and transition into German higher education. The main goal of GABL was to create this possibility for students and young talents from Vietnam, Bangladesh, China, Nigeria, and other countries. Just to be integrated into our German academic community, German world, and to continue education at the universities of Germany, or to continue with internship, or to continue their pathway with the employer. So here we're talking about complex preparation of our customers, of young talents, and here the main thing actually that is demanded is very strong level of motivation, as the process of integration is pretty challenging, and we can help, we can assist, but the main work still remains of our students. So that is why motivation here is really essential. um, Implications for policy and practices. So, as we have already discussed, pathway institutions, so Global Academy of Business and Languages, so is just the institution that is in between government, employers, universities, uh, pathway institutions. So we provide preparation on all levels, and key priorities include improving pre-integration preparation, uh, so cross-cultural competencies development, aligning talent pipelines with labor market needs. And pathway institutions can therefore function as connecting infrastructure within international talent ecosystem. Uh, just at the end of my presentation, I would like to make a really short conclusion that, again, Germany has always been very attractive and very fruitful for students from the point of view of education, so higher education at the universities. For young talents, so to continue research, to continue work, or to start their uh, employability pathway here in Germany. For young workers, those who would like to achieve more and to build career. So, however, so despite being so attractive, still Germany faces quite a lot of challenges, and we still face the scarcity in such type of employees and just young generation. So and the key challenge here is transforming the young talents, helping them to integrate to our world. So cross-cultural communication and pathway institutions play a crucial role in building sustainable talent bridges. So here you see a small, like a small picture showing preliminary steps that should be fulfilled for this successful integration. So here we're talking about international talent, then definitely language preparation, cross-cultural competence development, academic readiness, developing of employability skills, and integration and retention. Retention here really plays essential role as we all are interested in long-term cooperation, and both companies, institutions, universities in Germany are really looking for those who will build long-term cooperation, and those who can make the highest input in the development and in the success of the companies. So here you see some references that were used, and I would like to thank you for your attention, and definitely I would be happy to answer all questions. And if you would like to stay in contact, so I would be happy to stay in contact and to discuss this topic more in details. I would be happy to share some more details about our work, what we are doing, how everything is arranged and designed. And again, thank you so much for your attention.